Hey guys, it's Dr. Erica Patterson, physical therapist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is going to be the top 15 questions you need to make sure you're asking for any interview as a physical therapist in a skilled nursing facility. All right, so top 15 questions you must ask in your interview. Let's get to it. Number 1, how many hours are going to be needed as a PRN therapist in this role? If you're full-time, I'd suggest asking how many hours are required as a full-time therapist to be getting that full-time status. Number 2, will I be expected to supervise any PT assistants? If so, I'd follow up with how many, just so you can make sure that you're following the state laws of the state that you're practicing in. Number 3, what is the productivity expectation? If anything is more than 85%, it's a big red flag for that position. Number 4, what EMR system do they use? So electronic medical record, knowing what documentation system they use is helpful so you can prep before you go in if you need. Number 5, what are the typical patient demographics you see at that facility? Number 6, will I need to go to different facilities? And then number 7 as a follow-up, if so, do I get paid drive time and what is that paid drive time rate? It should be the national average. Number 8, are there a minimum number of shifts I need to work to maintain the PRN status? Number 9, are there any requirements to work a certain holiday or weekend amount? Number 10, what does onboarding look like? Is there any training involved? And then number 11, is there any mentorship that they offer coming on staff? Number 12, are there benefits and a 401k match? This is a really important one to know because often PRN does not receive benefits, but in some companies, they can get a partial amount of benefits. So make sure you understand these clearly so you're accepting the job, knowing what you need going into it. And then these last 3 questions I think are pretty big questions. They really give you a sense of where you're going to be working and what kind of environment you're going to be jumping into. So number 13, what is the turnover rate for physical therapists within your company? Some companies probably won't want to answer this question directly, but knowing this gives you an idea of how happy the staff is at that company, how quickly they're turning people over if you might get stuck working by yourself or in a really low staffing environment. So this is a good one to ask. Along with number 13, I would recommend asking number 14, what traits and skills do I need to demonstrate in order to be successful at this facility? Last but not least, number 15, can you please describe the overall facility atmosphere? This one kind of goes along with number 13, but it gives you a good sense of where you'll be working, what type of people you'll be working with, and what the job environment's gonna be like when you get there. All right, guys, that's top 15 must-ask questions in your interview as a PT for a PRN position. If you have any other questions you've asked that have been helpful, feel free to put them down below in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. You got that link below for the PT Facebook group, Skilled Nursing Facility PT Mentor. Go ahead and join that so we can all keep learning how to level up our careers as physical therapists. As always, advocate for yourself and your patients. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.